know who it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Yo.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Cruising in my round in my Chevy truck.
Yeah, yeah.
I'ma tell you, I'ma keep on driving till the sun. When on the moon comes up, yeah.
Yeah, you know.
I'ma drive around cruising in my Chevy truck.
Purchase your tracks today.
My Chevy truck. In my Chevy truck. Yeah, I was cruising in my Chevy old truck. I'm never thinking, I don't even know how to go. Maybe it's slow, or maybe we go. Take me on the flow. Like my medicine, and I did again. What the hell of it? Within the truck, hold a kid.
Yeah, yeah.
Prescription, because I don't really know. The busting of the motherfucking flow.
Purchase your beats today.
What's that need to continue? Cause I know I keep on forward with my chin up. With my value, you're just something crazy. Yeah, I value that. I see, I'm gonna keep sticking on me. I don't even need to know what I'm gonna be smoking, but it's that loud. Now you can't go. Keep on sitting. I'm gonna keep on sitting. I'm living. Okay, keep on, yes, I'm living. I'm gonna do a medication as a fucking. Okay, not a reality. I'm gonna do a rowdy. Maybe it's me. I'm gonna kill my nasty. Yeah, I really gotta hit it. Get off.
Purchase your tracks today.
New on YouTube, I'ma go. Yeah, just a second, just a flow. I'ma keep it loud, it's loud. I'm just doing like the hardest man. This time in my chillin', in my Chevy truck. Cruising around in my Chevy truck. In my good, in my truck.
Chevy truck, Chevy truck.
We rolling around, cruising in my truck. And I'm drinking on that whiskey on my Chevy truck.
Purchase your beats today.
Yeah, rolling around, I'm gonna keep on talking with you. I'm gonna keep it on sticky because there's something I didn't listen. I'm gonna keep it on going in discussion, like decision. I can't keep complaining, maybe I'm struggling, but I don't know. I'ma go cause I feel like sometimes it's my option to believe it too much. I'm just wanna put a marble on it, on it, I'm hitting.
Purchase your tracks today.
Man, all ideas that are like an earthquake in my mind. Keep on tripping and I'm tripping cause I really wanna go down there and show off my thing. I'ma keep on rocking, look, I don't know, man. I'ma keep on doing this seriously. I don't need no more mirroring, but ladies like that. This is so nasty, so maniac that just could just want it back. Go crazy like that is literally. Matter of fact, let's metaphorically, literally, and I really outstandingly. Gonna ahead and explain it, gonna make it, cause this possibility is rolling around.
Yeah, yeah.